Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to make the best olive oil cake ever. Usually this cake is made with citrus fruits like lemon, but today we're going to do something different. We're going to use bananas. Yes, bananas. It's so good, you're gonna love it. Okay, for the ingredients, we need 3 medium ripe bananas, half a cup of regular olive oil. I use regular olive oil when I'm baking because it's quite resistant to heat compared to EVOO. Save your EVOO for light cooking, salad dressing, and for bread dipping. Next, we need 3 medium eggs, a tablespoon of honey, 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 1/4 cup of white flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of orange extract. Okay, now we can begin. Oh, right, the banana doesn't want to get mushed. I'm sorry, but we're gonna have to mush you. And we're gonna keep peeling our bananas and then we mush them. We're gonna keep mushing it until we see this baby food consistency. It looks delicious and yum. And crack your eggs in a separate bowl and make sure you have 3 eggs. Not 2, but 3. And you're gonna beat the eggs. And once beaten, you can add your sugar. And then you mix it again. Add your orange extract. And then you mix again. You add your mashed banana. And you mix again. And you add your olive oil. And you mix again. And you add your honey, and don't be shy about this. You can use your finger when you put the honey so you have your exact amount. And you mix again and mix again, and the bubbles are okay. You don't have to worry about the bubbles. And I wish you can smell this because it smells delicious. Okay, and for the flour, we're gonna add a teaspoon of baking powder and you're gonna mix them together. And when you're adding flour to the wet ingredients, don't go crazy and dump it all at once. Add the flour in increments, like so, because this way we don't have to mix very long for our batter to come together. Add a pinch of salt. Now you can add vanilla extract. Stir it one more time, and your batter is now complete. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and make sure you hit that bell notifications so you don't miss any delicious episodes in the future. And if you don't want sticky mess, line your medium loaf pan with parchment paper so it's easier to lift the cake from pan when it's done. Well, this is oven ready, so let's do it. You're going to bake this in a preheated oven at 350 for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, lower the temperature to 300 and bake it for another 15 to 20 minutes. Just keep an eye on it. To make sure that it is really done, we're going to do the toothpick test. And it's clean. We're also going to look at that the top of the cake is nice and lightly brown. And are you seeing this? Because that was easy. Thank God for parchment paper. And take your time, no need to rush. Just admire your lovely olive oil cake. And I only cooled it down for 20 minutes, so it's still hot and steamy, but it still looks 100% amazing. So, it's all good. And this is different from your banana bread because the banana bread you're looking for a buttery taste and you will not taste the butter with the olive oil cake. You will have the moist and the rich flavor from the olive oil and the orange zest, and I guarantee you every bite is gonna be heavenly. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and I'll see you at the next episode.